So this is going to be my first recorded video here on the attic, the new YouTube studio, here on Zachary's 3D Prints Some Updates. Hello, I'm Zachary, and this is a new update about the attic that I'm currently working on, or people that are working on. So the last few months I was very busy to clean my attic up a little bit. And making sure that everything is done before the dormer was going to be installed. And so this was the daily view that I saw for many days when I was working and cleaning here. So yesterday when they started install this thing, they came at 7:45, a little bit more than an hour later. The first hole was made in the roof, and it went pretty fast. I can tell you this, that a few hours later, or 2 hours, 3 hours later, something like that, the hole was big enough that this dormer could be placed. They were talking about to get the crane here, but I thought just a small truck with a crane on top of it and then lift this dormer onto the roof and then it's done. But at 1:45 the crane came, and it was not a small one, it's whatever the company had that was working with this contractor. So I was really surprised that they arrived with a pretty huge crane. I don't know the real size of it, I didn't ask. Sometimes you don't need to ask things, but it was huge. And I think it's also great to show you how they did this. Here's a little highlights of the lifting. A few minutes past 1, the dormer was placed here on the roof. The huge bags that they used to put all trash in there. They lifted out, and 1 hour later everything was done. The only thing that needs to be done, you know, put some nice plaster boards or some other things that this is going to look nicer and more prettier. So this side of the room you never saw. Well, actually never saw, because this was just some room where I never recorded a video. But now I can make even more light on that side as well. So just a little glimpse of how it will look like. There is going to be more light here. I don't know how I'm going to put my recording setup, but I think this looks great, or maybe this looks great as well, or maybe something like this. I don't know what you like, but that area is very full with all sorts of trash and boxes and things that still need to be sorted out. So just a few things about this dormer. I never knew what the exact word was from this thing. Thanks Llama for pointing it out to dormer. And also here on the other side, here there also needs to be a new staircase, not this Visutrap as we call it in Dutch. There is going to be a permanent staircase to this room, to this level. Some more updates are going to come here on Zachary's 3D Print. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with other people. And hey, let's make awesome things with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.